Hi, it's Bai here. Thanks for this moment. I want to give you a review for a good product, Traffic Shack, because doesn't matter what good your product is, and if you do not have a traffic, and the customers and the buyers cannot find you, and not only paid ads because you must spend a lot of money and it's a risk, and you can have also get so many free traffic and no need to pay so many money, and that is this tool is our thing about. I will show you. I give you so many bonuses if you're using the link below, and I will talk about the bonuses. Here are the bonuses I prepared for you. That is, this product will be launched 27 January and 10 a.m. Eastern Time. It will be closed on Wednesday, 2nd February and 12 p.m. Eastern Time. So that is the bonuses I prepared for you. And what is actually everything traffic check about? That is more than 200 traffic source from one single platform, and software creates automatically money link. Blast your link to all the traffic sources at the same time, generate the commissions from multiple high converting offers, pre approved for anything, no waiting. 100% done for your traffic and commission system, and completely beginner friendly. Zero technical skills for previous experience needed, and zero maintenance cost, and proved result generate sales on demand, and world-class training included. So it is really a good product. And also they have so many OTOs, upsells. The basic price for this product is $17. It is, you can get a lot of things, but if you really want to get more unlimited version, and uh, normally price is 67, and now you get 37 and the upsell second is 100 done for you. Normally it's 97, and now you can get $47. Upsell 3 is unlimited traffic, $97 normally, and you can get $47. Upsell 4 is automation, 67, and you can get $37. Upsell 5 is ATM, normally priced $197, you can get $47. Upsell 6 is ultimate $197, and you can get $47. Upsell 7 is in license rights is $67, and you can get $37. That is, here are some keys benefit you can be interested in: getting free buyers, traffic, and secret test over 800 million buyers, 100 done for your system, designed and made for beginners, brand new tech for 2022, works on all devices, include your phone, work from home, start today, quit your job, travel, enjoy life, stop failing, and finally, breakthrough 2711 per hour. Case study included, no money fee ever. That is really sounds good, right? So I have prepared, if you using the link below, by this product, I have so many bonuses. That is an tutorial for 200 per day on autopilot, and also an bonuses. Second is a value, the 46.95 is bonuses for money grab, and that is also is very good product, and also bonuses to tutorial for 5 email marketing tips for high conversions. And bonuses number 4 is access timeless traffic. Bonuses number 5 is value 197 is chatbot marketing mastery. And bonuses, extra bonuses is for building the perfect sales funnel. And another bonuses is access the high ticket mastery. So you have so many more bonuses, and together you can much better build your online business. And do not miss this opportunity, because all the two binds together with this traffic check. You will much easier to build online business and get more traffic. So I hope it's made clear. If you have any questions, just write your questions. I will do my best to give you answer. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and do not miss this opportunity. Bye for now.